Hey everyone, welcome to English Atmosphere, your space to learn and grow in English. Today we're talking about something that so many learners struggle with. I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Hey guys, I feel this problem every day. I can watch English movies, understand YouTube videos, and even read books. But when it's time to speak, I just freeze.
Raj, you're not alone. So many people feel the same. They understand English but struggle to speak. And today we'll talk about why this happens and how to fix it.
I always wonder, why is speaking harder than listening or reading?
That's a great question. Here's why. Understanding is passive. Your brain listens and absorbs information. Speaking is active. You have to think, form sentences, and say them out loud. Fear of mistakes. Many learners hesitate because they don't want to make errors.
Yes, I always think, what if I say something wrong? Then I stay silent instead.
That's totally normal, but guess what? Even native speakers make mistakes. The key is to speak without fear.
Okay, so what are some common mistakes that stop people from speaking?
Great question. Here are the top mistakes. Translating from your native language. This makes sentences slow and unnatural, thinking too much about grammar. It's okay if your grammar isn't perfect. The goal is to communicate. Not practicing speaking daily. Many learners listen a lot but never practice speaking.
That's true. I listen to English content every day, but I rarely try speaking.
Exactly. Speaking is skill. You get better by doing it, not just by listening or reading.
So, what's the best way to practice speaking?
Here are 5 simple techniques to improve your speaking. 1. Think in English. Stop translating. Describe your daily activities in English. 2. Mirror speaking. Stand in front of a mirror and talk for 5 minutes daily. Pretend you're having conversation. 3. Shadowing technique. Listen to English sentences and repeat them immediately. 4. Record yourself. Speak about topic for 2 minutes and listen to your recording. 5. Find speaking partner. Join online groups or practice with friends who also want to improve.
These sound easy. I think I'll start with the mirror speaking technique today.
That's a great start. Even 5 minutes a day can boost your confidence.
Alright, from today, I'll stop overthinking and just start speaking. Even if I make mistakes, I won't stop.
That's the spirit. And for everyone listening, I challenge you. Record yourself speaking for 30 seconds every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak.
Yes, and if you're ready to take this challenge, comment below. I will speak English. Let's support each other.
That's it for today's episode of English Atmosphere. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, confidence comes with practice.
See you in the next episode. Let's improve together.